Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to connect Stripe to Stan Store. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Settings tab in the bottom left-hand corner of your store. Then, click on the Payments tab to get started on connecting Stripe. Next, you will see the Connect button next to the Stripe option. Simply click on it. After clicking on Connect, a pop-up window should appear with an option to choose your country. Choose your country and click on the Submit button. Next, enter your phone number and the email address you used to create your Stan account. Then, click on the Continue button. It'll ask you to verify your account with a phone number to receive a text message. Next, you'll need to enter all of your personal details: name, email address, home address, birthday, last 4 digits of your social security number. Now, select your industry, and click on the Continue button. Next, enter your bank account information where you'd like to receive your payouts. Lastly, review and submit your information. Stripe may take up to 3 to 7 business days to initially verify your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.